Hi, everyone. I thought after I did the grades on the discussion board this week that we should go over the requirements because I don't think everybody quite understands it. So what I want to do is take you to the rubric. So if you go to content right here on Brightspace, and then you come to syllabus, rubrics, calendar, and click on there, you will come down to rubrics, and you click on there, and it opens up, and here is the discussion board rubric for the discussion board. So this is how you earn full points. Expertly answer each component of the discussion question and support response with findings from the current literature. So for every discussion board, you are required to find an article that supports some of your opinions and findings on it. So an example would be on the Lewis Blackman story. Maybe you find an article about safety in healthcare or giving report communication in healthcare. Those are the ideas. You have to get this from the nursing literature. It has to be a peer-reviewed journal. So if you go to Holman Library, those are typically peer-reviewed journals because, as you know from your research class, peer review is what makes the research valid and reliable. It's the ultimate with the peer review. And then you want to don't use a quote, paraphrase something from the article and use it in your posting, in your initial posting. Initial posts are due by Wednesday, and then you have until Sunday to do responses. Now, you need to answer two classmates. To get full points, you have to provide expert insight and or exemplar to promote future thought or professionally post an alternative viewpoint to two classmates' posts. What this means is we want depth and detail in your discussion. For example, if you are talking about the Lewis Blackman story and you have had a similar situation, then you could go ahead and maybe give a short synopsis of that in your replies. You could also take it in a different direction. You could disagree with the premise as long as you do it professionally. I mean, the idea is to accept different ideas than your own and consider them. So those are ways that you can earn full points. And then you correctly cite the relevant literature both within the text of the post and at the bottom, full citation using APA format and no grammar or spelling issues. Use spell check. Remember to capitalize your I's and use punctuation. I know we all text and we get in that habit, but that will lose you points. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, email me, give me a text, let me know. Thank you so much.